Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's StarMade Beats, and today I'm gonna start the mix before the mix. First things first, you always want to check each individual sound. Make sure the exact audio clips in the headroom of everything is not going crazy. So check out the pre-commuted effects. You want to look at your boost, your EQ, your normalize, your start, your length, in and out, every single one. Make sure you know what all those do. This might need boosted just a little bit. This is why I don't like the normalize. Just boost a little bit. You can remove some of these frequencies or add them. I think this is fine. Just turn it up a little bit. Okay, move on to the melody. As you can see, Xenology, it's already channeled to channel 1. Maybe pan it over to the left and the right ear to add some fullness to your frequencies. There's going to be a high, a middle, and a low. So when you have a lot going on in those same frequencies, when you start panning to the left and right, it will mesh together well, add some fullness and clarity, I promise. Let's move on. Add some claps in there. As you can hear, these claps a little light. Bring some boost in here. Before any plugin, make sure these knobs, levels are official. Let's go. Okay, it sounds a lot better now with some boost. Keep in mind, when you add your plugins, your EQ, you can remove those plugins, add some compression to mesh it together. Let's move on. Alright, let's just add all these in here to see what stands out. Alright. I think the hi-hats and the crash, I hear crazy. Let's turn this down. Remove some of that EQ on that crash. It's already panned over. Let's pan it a little bit to the... There we go. It's blending. Alright, what's next? Them hi-hats. The hi-hats sound pretty good. Maybe boost them a little bit. These drums, you want to make them stand out, but not, of course, clip and sound distorted, so don't normalize. Maybe turn it down. And of course, the plugin's going to make them sound better. As you're going, you want to link them to a channel so it's ready as well. Alright, now, sounds good to me. Of course, the 808s, you can't do too much without the plugins because you want to add that sound clipper. You can boost it a little bit just to get your vibe in there, but I go against boosting. If anything, use a wave shaper, but once again, that's the plugin. Last but not least, make sure your master mix with all your plugins added and everything under 3 dB, so when you add your vocals, everything's going to go back to 0. Make sure you're checking all this. Once you see that redness in there, it's bad. Something needs adjusted and fixed accordingly. Let's go. Let's make that magic, y'all. StarMade Beats. Everyone was born to be a star.
Damn, did StarMade Beats